All right, guys, this one's gonna be a little bit different because I was saw that the trend in especially luxury homes is big single story. So I was looking for big single story, lots of square foot. And I saw that Perry had a home that was almost 4,600 square foot. And then I saw that they were building it in my backyard. So I had to come check it out. Now, I have been bugging the salespeople over and over to let me in as soon as possible, because if I were to show you this when it was finished, someone would be moving in before I even upload it. So without any further ado, here's the 4594 plan. All right, going in the front, as you can see, not done. They're expecting to finish this one by August. We're at 4,594 square feet. So just under 4,600. And I'll try to tell you the rooms as we get into them. So right as you walk in, you got your office there, double door entry. Nice opening to good sized media room. So if you're looking for a media room right off the bat, there you go. But guys, I don't know if you can tell how high the ceilings are here, but that is nice. On the other side here, you have kind of the grandmother's suite here. Nice big room. They got their own bathroom. Of course, not finished. Things are going to be tarped. But I'm serious, guys. I have tried to film a house here, and before I could even get out here, it was already sold. So the fact that no one has this one yet, I had to come film. So if you're keeping count, we're already at 2 bedrooms, an office, and a media room. I'm still by the front door. This is a big house, y'all. Let's keep going. So you walk in to your huge main area. As you can see, there's a ton of outdoor space. You got the fire pit here. The massive island. They already got the cabinets in. That's going to be a big fridge. Man, just look at this patio. That is huge. Beautiful backyard. Hey, look, a bunny. Did I mention I have ADHD? I don't know. This is not going to be a long drawn out video. If you've made it this far and you're like, he's still in the front, I promise you won't be long. We're at 100 degrees, although in the shade, not too terrible. So I'm going to get through this. You got your second sliding glass doors. Back here is going to be the master. But before that, you have kind of an office, is what I would call this. A secondary office. But you can make it a bedroom, a nursery by the master, wherever you want. Then here's kind of the bathroom for everybody. That's going to be some nice tile. And then I told you I'm going to try to tell you the rooms. This isn't the master. What is this room? Whatever you want it to be. Nice big open ceiling. Open ceiling. Not open ceiling. There's a roof. But master, I believe, is on this side. But before we get to that, there's kind of a cool feature hidden behind the kitchen. So I want to show you that. Also, if you didn't see it earlier, here's some more countertops, cabinets. That's crazy. I mean, do y'all see that? Cabinets, 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 cabinets. More cabinets. And if that's not enough storage, your pantry, let the light adjust here, is also a kitchen. Now this is pretty much a scullery, right? There's no oven to cook, but you're gonna have your prep sink, prep fridge, Oh, there's gonna be an oven. There's gonna be that stove right there. So scullery, if you don't know that word, look it up. Prep kitchen, butler's pantry. But that's fully stocked. That's gonna, you can cook in that. That's crazy. And if that's not enough, you got another pantry here. So, entertainer's dream, I would say. Another bedroom back here. Did I mention this is 5 bedroom, 5.5 bath? And they got a good sized closet. Now, if you aren't used to touring homes like, I don't know, the average person, I'm gonna have a link to the floor plan so you can kind of picture it there. But I'm telling you, this floor plan gets snatched up. So this is kind of how you see it before someone owns it. All right, so we're still back behind the kitchen. This is your 4-car garage. Beautiful. And you got your mud bench. Back here is your utility laundry room. And through here is your master closet. I don't know if you guys see that. Master closet. Of course, giant shower. You know, most of the time these like car wash ones kind of end right about here. But no, this is massive. Man, I hope I get to see this one again. This is beautiful. So if you're watching this, let's buy this one because I want to see it again, right? That's why you buy houses, for the realtor. Just kidding. Here is the other side. So this is going to be her second closet. That's really fun. And you got a toilet back there, another closet, giant doors into giant master. Right now it's got a tub in it. That's funny. But just look at these big windows. There's your backyard. You got another door to the patio. And you're back into the main action. Like I said, I know this one's a little bit different. I really wanted to show you guys this floor plan. I think it has a lot of features that people are asking for. It's that 5 bed, 5 bath. It's got space just about everywhere. Good size media room, game room, multi-purpose, whatever you want there in the back. I like it. Fully functional scullery, another sink in the laundry room, 4-car garage. Like, what more could you ask for? So if that's you, let's jump on this one. I try not to be salesy and pushy and say, act fast. But let me tell you, this community, I've filmed like a couple other houses and basically they sell by the time my video gets to YouTube. So people are wanting to move in here, which made me realize I haven't told you exactly where we are. This is Enchanted Creek in Lucas. And if you want more information about that, I have a video here, but this is a nice place. And this house is gonna go pretty fast. But I know that it may not be for everyone, and that's okay. My team and I, we specialize in new construction all over DFW. We can find a house for you. We have those relationships with the builders at all different communities all over DFW, but we don't know that you need help until you reach out. So reach out. And as always, thank you for watching.